Yotago. Let's What up in your account right now? It's about to go down. Taking me higher. No be by my power. I'm making a headway. I'm selling my first headway. I'm different lately. I'm ready to break the no, no, go for them. Yes, it is what it is. Number I don't want to trade on 5FM, and on that happy note, this is how we are falling into this particular edition of Bid This Splash. You have to go right about it for Bid This Splash. Unfolding right before your before get off. You have to go. Akoko Otipoju. Yes, you know how we do what we do up in here, right? It is your party right here. Na asị na ndị China yọtago na-eje na ọzara more than anybody else. N'ọnya ha mere ha ji wee dị 1.6 billion people ọbụla obelefe. Ọnya bụ na ịfụfa all the time yọtago a na-ekwu okwu bed a bịa mama Nkechika kee maka bed a na room a yọtago the activities of the other room kali ọbụla obelefe. Yes, this is how we ball into this particular edition of Birthday Splash, the ball at the 103.5 FM. Okwanomo Wakana Metal. Yes, it's about time for us to celebrate the people who are celebrating this morning. Kosi Adigo, Yotago, hey, Iman Kosi Ade. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599 with name and number of the person you want to celebrate. And it is celebration galore up in here right now. Yes, this morning we have a lot of people to celebrate. But the 10th day of October 2024. A very significant day, 10-10-2024. Reason is unfolding right about now. Akụkọ ọzọ anyị nwetara n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụgodo na matadị o nwere nwoke achịtalụ ndị mmadụ ka aja ya mma ka nna agwagodo gị o nwere ihe a na-akpọ jaya enwere difference between jaya mma and jamina ndị a chọrọ imix ya together, you know, a situation whereby yotago katakata meet catastrophe si hello yotago, can't we come together, collaboration enwe kata mystic ọbụla belefe. Mana the thing bụ na this man achọrọ ịjaja amina yotago on a very good day. Ọ gbara ọsọ gbaba na supermarket nwanne ya nwaanyị na-ele si na nwanne ya nwaanyị na-asị kedu ife ọ bụ ọsị na ụmụ ndị nọ n'ilu ebe a kịta achọrọ iti ezi nya ntigbu. The lady wee tọọ wesị ya jee n'ilu a kịta agwa ndị a ka o si adị agwazi n'ọsọ nweghị na-agbaba ọsọ fọ ọsị ya esi dị shọ nya mpụ n'ilu ebe a na-achọ itinye ife a ọsị na ịmụrụ na ife mmelụfa ji wee rie nne wee bịa ka ha tie gị ife a bụ na ịghọtago egwu na-atụkwụfa ncha niile maka ọ bụrụ na egwu ada atụfa fa ka abịa one on one ịghọtago ọ bụrụ na onye na-ewelu gị iwe nwere ike bịa to one ọ bụrụ sọsị ya bịa. One of the lessons we must learn from this story is the fact that now most times ịghọtago some of the things na confront kwa gị egwu na-atụkwafa n'isi onwe fa some of the things na-agabiga na life today egwu na-atụkwa ya n'isi onwe ya make plans ewelu courage approach wey ya bụ efe it will get better for sure. And with that mentality, otu aka yesi we bata today, yotago otu aka yesi na operate today too. Normally fega ema ka yotago only fanya for mme, and that's why we must be very happy. With that happy mood, we navigate the situation otu obunos with the help of the Most High King of Kings and Lord of Lords. And that's the reason why you putago to ibuchari asi papa chocho impa yotago no bulo believe akụkọ otikpoju. Yes, we have a lot of people to celebrate this morning, and the first person we'll get started with is Gavin Newsom. He's an American politician and once the governor of California, you know, born in San Francisco, born October 10th, 1967. And I say again in Ototua, happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. You know how it goes down. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599, and it's celebration galore up in here right now. Can they be fun and celebrate or birthday or you know you watch can they fall bow or chieftaincy conferment or traditional marriage? We are here to celebrate with you. Get involved. God is a cool at the right now. Today is also the birthday of S.S. Rajamouli. He is an Indian film director, born October 10, 1973. Yes, and I call again on there and there men Indian movie. I go emekwa na ya agulele egwu. Omantake no jamina. Obulo belefe is happening. You know, just kezi mgbe film a agwu, ichelugodo agụbagodo egwu agụsi egwu gbasi egwu, ewe mewekwa ya bụ film. Be a situation whereby the protagonist and even the antagonist are now working go together. You have to go. So we say happy birthday to him this morning. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Yes, today is also the birthday of a great man. A man no na Ghana. There are just you have to go in the mother other countries in a now saying that this man will open eyes, oh, this man will do a lot of things, oh, and over time he opened the eyes of so many people, you know, people who are Pan-Africanists on a very good day. And I'm talking now about no other than Kwame Nkrumah, born October 10th, 1909. You know, he is a Ghanaian Pan-Africanist and the first prime minister and the president of Ghana. So I now say again in Ototo Agodo, happy birthday. Yes, it's posthumous, but this is one man we must pay attention to. You have to go as Africans, as black people. All those were on a very good day. So we must pay attention to this man. And well, a lot of things people like this have offered over the time, you know, we look into prophecies that they have kept over time. People like, you know, Kwame Nkrumah, people like, you know, Marcus Garvey, you know, people like that, Malcolm X, Martin Luther King. Those are the people, you know, today being the birthday of Kwame Nkrumah, and they celebrate. It is what it is. Get involved. Let's celebrate you too. Kosi Adigodu. The numbers once again 08065796599. Today is also the birthday of R.K. Narayan. He is an Indian writer, author. You know, he was born October 10th, 1906. He's posthumous, but we have to celebrate still. So I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. Yes, today is also the birthday of Zidane Shaqiri. He is a Swiss footballer, born October 10th, 1991. I say again, happy birthday. If you're good with the Premier League, you know exactly who we are talking about. And right now, if go na ya batabago na jacket afọ ka celebrate ndị ike na celebrate n'ụtụtụ agụrụ ka o si adị, and ndị onwe dị bụkwa onye ike. I need to celebrate gị ka o si adị ya kịta afọ. So send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599. Yes, ka anyị na-abata n'aka akụkọ maka nwoke na-eme isi simenti. Yotago ogwu isi onwe ya na-emixili onwe ya simenti ka o si adịgodo na very good day. Anọkata ike gwu ya yotago ọchịla ọnwa bele. Otela aka afụgodo nwa na-ele ọkpa. Ọsị onye ọkpa bịa ka mmalụ ka o si adị. Onye ọkpa bịa yotago ọsị na ya na-emix oke simenti. Na ya dị ya bụ a great cement mixer. Ọsị nwa sikpula ana wee na-elesi m ọkpa. Nwatakịrị a na-esi anya ọmalịfọ ga-eme ọfụ na this broda na-agwụ okwu mụrụ ya amụ na ọ dị old enough ịbụ papịa o ji nwa ya sekpụla ana ya tago wee bụrụ ọkpa wee na-egosi nwoke na-asị na otu a ka esi kwesị na-eme ife na this country. Ụmụaka na-ele ọkpa bịa osekpụla ana wee na-elesi great cement mixer na ọkpa. Ọta ọkpa nke izi ta nke ịbụ ta nke ịtọ si na ya ejebezi ya tago otu isi kpụsịrị ana just jebezia mesizia ka ọ dịzịa Obule fact in eme when help federal government. Ajụjụ na ajụ nwatakịrị. Obulu gị ka efe ga-eme. Ebe ise kpukwa na wee mife niile okwukwalo. What will you do? Ọ dịgo ka o si adị kịta afọ anyị abatago Naija ka anyị celebrate ndị ike na-celebrate n'ụtụtụ a ka o si adịgodo. And the first person I celebrating in Nigeria this morning were Regina Daniels. Born October 10th, 2000. She is a Nigerian actress and film producer. And the wife of Senator Ned Nwoko. So I say again in Ototwa. Happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. Get involved. Let's celebrate you. Kosi Adigo Yotago. Yes, Imana today will a great day, the 10th day of October 2024. That is the 10-10-2024. Kosi Adigo Ketafo. It is that significant, and that is the reason why Ejimwesian can celebrate it. And the next person I get celebrated, though is posthumous, but we have to celebrate this great man for the sacrifice, made for the state, the Nigerian country. Which will say I go on a very good day. So today I say, I celebrate to go to Ken Sarowiwa, born October 10th, 1941. In River State. He is a Nigerian activist, a journalist. To the core. So we celebrate him this morning. I say go again. Happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. It's unfolding right now. Yes, today is also the birthday of the man that goes by the name Brown Ide. He was born October 10th, 1988 in Lagos, Nigerian footballer. Yatago Ogwinazo Adagafa Gafekuzi Adigo on a very good day. These are some of the people who took over from Ucho Kechuku. Yatagone Mekwaya Bifene Mesiaike. So today, I see again happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding Ketafo. Yes, today is also the birthday of Mike Godson. He was born October 10th, 1985 in Kano State. He is a Nigerian actor. Yatago Otuosi Adigodo Ochako Maka Mano Mapalo Otuosi Adenisi Onga. So I now say again in the Tutwa. Happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding. Ketapo. Today is also the birthday of Zainab Balogun, born October 10th, 1989 in London. She is a Nigerian English actress. Yotago Ainasi Agene Ketafo. Happy birthday. Yes, I want to Kendika Motakale, but Ketafo, we must proceed. And as we proceed to give you what you need, satisfaction, guaranteed. Let's get ready to rumble. Akoko oti poju. Opatata, we have a lot of things to talk about because today, we need to begin to spot the imperialism. A situation whereby and when one na complain, also idea, the activities of the other room are a lot of things, man. Can now yes, can not call what if the man that goes by the name anyway, a massacre man or woman where man man as at now. Now, one way look what we kill if you change a blue man, goes by the name of risky. On a cover that now fuel 1,065 naira and over that ketafo. And some people catch an on about the problem of Nigeria. But to very dark man is when actually say it. Yes, give us your potakwa moto to Ayatago. enwe ndị agụ nwere obi, ndị agụ nwere okoko obi, ịghọtago that year ka o si adịgodo sentences some people, and we'll talk about it. Nke a just kiri. A lot of things is happening, but right about now, let's get into it. Let's put them pioneerism ka o si adịgodo. Yes, akụkọ nke izi anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ ọbụla a na-akọwa na Nigerians will begin to pay more for number plates and driver's license from November 1st. Ọbọzọ otu anyị si malụ si adịbụ before kịta akụ esi na-adịsị ebugharị gị. So the Joint Tax Board, Yotago, has announced new rates for national driver's licenses and vehicle number plates in Nigeria, which will come into effect on November 1st, 2024. These charges are part of an effort to improve the quality and security features of the identification documents in line with the international standards. Yes, the case will break his ear down. As now motor vehicle driver's license of 3 years, gonna have 15,000 ketafo. If I say no one did team book it as a case, can support that. Now, wow. Now, an acquired motor vehicles driver's license of 5 years now will be 21,000 naira. As a motorcycle, tricycle driver's license, you have to go, that is motorcycle, you know, and keke. Although some people are not to cycle. So, no, God, but 3 years in car, God was 7,000. Then motorcycle, tricycle driver's license of 5 years, Gabo 11,000. Standard private commercial vehicle number plates, Gabo 30,000. Fancy number plates, Gabo 400,000. Nya ndị nke na customize yotago onwe onye nke ị ga-afụ yotago oda afia na ya ka o si adịgodo. Then motorcycle plates yotago 12,000. Dealer vehicle number plates 100,000. If un ko si unfold yotago in one way or the other imego ya befe ko si adị no. But if not, ịbatagodo n'ụtụtụ a ịgwa ife ilo n'ihe niile na ko si unfold right about now. Ọkwanụ mmụọ nwa ka a na-akpọ meta, and it's unfolding kịta afọ na Birthday Splash n'ebe ọ na-adị 103.5 FM. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a bụ na ndị NLC, you know, led by Joe Ajero on a very good day, amapụtago wee na-akọwa ka onye ọbụla uche onye ọbụla dị arụ. The first thing bụ a na-agwagodo President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ya pụta gwa Nigerians kedu ihe bụ plans ya otu a fuel si na-etinye ego day by day. Last ka eyi ife befa all the time. Say in fact, gwazie Nigerians kedu ihe bụ your plans eme now. The Nigerian Labour Congress has urged the federal government to reverse the recent increase in fuel prices after the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Limited set new prices. And then in a statement signed by the East President, Joe Ajero, the NLC said that the federal government under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is mishandling fuel pricing. And he says the labor union stressed that, you know, previous fuel price hikes have not resulted in any positive outcomes for Nigerians. Instead, he has worsened the financial strain on the population. And he says, we are dismayed by the latest increase in the pump price of petrol. Joe Ajero said, he said it appeared that the only thing this government is known for is raising fuel prices without considering the capacity of Nigerians to cope or providing any mitigating measures. Yes, ka Joe Ajero na-ekwu ya bụ ife enwe ndị na-epost gasị na social media na-eti since morning I have not eaten a lot of things na-aga on nke ikpeazụ a. ya sị batazie n'ụtụtụ anyị tile ya ọnụ na ya bụ okwu kedu ka isi wee fụ ya bụ efe yọtago kedu ka o si affect and kedu ife a ga-eme yọtago ka e wee bido wee butube this thing. We must be very objective as we say these things. There's no need insulting anybody in the first place. Yọtago nọ ikwu ka o si adị but jiri nwaanyị na-akọwa ya bụ efe ka o si adị without insulting anybody. Yes, akụkọ ọzọ anyị ji wee mabata n'ụtụtụ a wee bụrụ akụkọ gbasalụ agụ nwere obi ndị piliadaye na ọfa robbery daye yọtago mgbe anwụ edi agba agba na Naija daye. However, the Ekiti court sentences 3 to death by hanging for armed robbery. And Ekiti State High Court sitting in Ado-Ekiti on Wednesday sentenced 3 persons to death by hanging for armed robbery. The convicts, Alexander Solomon, 29, Desmond Peter, 29, and Eric Tille, 30, were found guilty of conspiracy, armed robbery, unlawful possession of firearms. The court, however, acquitted a 4th defendant, Promise Che, after ruling that there was insufficient evidence to establish his involvement in the crimes. The defendants were arraigned on 4 counts of charges bordering on conspiracy, armed robbery, and all of that. So, OCD in his statement to the police, Jude said that they were drivers and representatives of marketing company, And this is like the innocent point, like the one that was considered innocent in the crime, where get involved. See, initially, we thought they were vigilant members enforcing COVID-19 rules, but at gunpoint, they asked us to lay face down. They searched the vehicle and carted away all our phones, laptops, 540,000 naira cash, and other things I could not remember. But the and all of that. Sometimes and a very good day. Make the right thing. I am just because now you go no where the mother I take your laws into their hands. Now me fena on a very good day. On your here na rob. Also on this country. On a day face quite the same thing too. Now this is not just about ikiri can na call for. Anya offer death by hanging Kenya. You keep azo. Ihe nchọpụta bụ na back in the days mgbe a na-eme firing squad openly on a very good day inene TV n'anyasị fụ ka a na-apịa mmadụ firing squad it was done on purpose those days when the military was in charge so that others will learn from those things. Man, our society got worse because nobody a lot of people are there to self now punishment for some of these crimes and they feel not just if you do, you get away with it. But look at this now. Somebody is going to die by hanging just because not only proved no by Akoko Otikboju. Yes, with the state of things in the country, why you feel na yaba akụkọ yotago can advice ị ga-enye young people uche ọsị na ọbụla divorce ka ya chọọ yotago ọ na-akọwalụ court ife a ga-emeli ya court na-asị kedu ifu ka ezi iji wekpọpụta your husband to ọ sị na this man the activities of the other room a na-eju ya afọ nakwa ka ya bụ ife si wee mee woman seeks protection order from court as husband demands yotago activities of the other room 8 times every night. And the woman and I cover na yotago nya wagiki, and all the time this man bịakwana this matter uto say ade no onya nwajo obulo etibia ife yotago nya chozi ka na eti ife na ya mere oji wepụta court. Now a Harare woman sought legal protection from her husband, you know, citing his excessive demands for intimacy and abusive behavior. Yotago. Also, he wants to have, you know, every day, and wakes me up in the middle of the night, even after we have been, you know, or the other room on a very good day. Now, she recounted, expressing how this has taken a toll on her physical and mental health. Also, Niana chose water on her physical. This man on a very good day. No one waking me into this, but the only thing could actual divorce. No, say what the man ya jet from Ebono. Yeah, well, why when I made this matter. Osena nkena ake wutesi yourself, but this matter now the man bit to this matter. No, they blue the matter. German room, I can you see a can you phone na ogo everywhere. I am a lodge when I your call to say my left and worker. Anyway, in Carbon South Africa, Yotago Manaki unfold on a very good day. The woman, the magistrate, Jizuwaya grant you know, a protection order against the husband, ensuring safety for further abuses. See now, or no divorce, man, say protect your wine, see how cousin wine effect just because of the activities of the other room. Mana mado kalobi when I want to on the China. Ka effect activities of the other room na kasa adama. Man, I have for China anyway, maybe not because I don't know, because now at the time I have a Chinese woman, couple husband, yeah, you have to go. Jenna caught when I cause it, you have to go for China can not say far. Anyway, all the go Korea sitting there, but I don't want to trade on 5 FM. I could call OT. Yes, celebrate on his X platform. Yotago Iman X, formerly known as Twitter, you know, back on we celebrated, and he said he sent a message on the good do. Yotago the heartfelt post highlighted his joy and pride as a father, and marking this special occasion. The twins, who he shares with his wife Choma, were showered with love from Davido, reflecting his deep affection for his family. He took to his ex former Twitter to celebrate this special day. He wrote, +1 yotago celebrate go Chineke si otuto niile ịja mma niile ịta isi ana niile ya dịgodu yotago chukwu bụ chukwu on a very good day chukwu okike abịa ma ọ ihe ọ bụ yotago anyị celebrate chukwu with him when asịgodu gbagam yotago na akaụntụ ka wee pipe nyere ụmụaka gbagam again mmadụ ga na-asị ọ Davido ka m na-akọrọ gbagam niile a yes he needs it otu o si adị now it's about